Welcome to this recording where you're going to listen to insightful moments recorded during live coaching sessions with my clients who come from diverse professional backgrounds. And if you like what you hear today, please share it with your friends and colleagues. And remember to hit the subscribe button now and ensure that you never miss any other episode. Thank you. So many times we find ourselves having to communicate through times of conflict or an approach from the other person who's got a different style of speaking. Like they're very fast and they're very punchy, sometimes pushy, and you're having to get your thoughts together really, really quickly and respond the same. And then you find that you just dish it out the same, like they're abrupt and strong and pushy and you do the same. And that's not necessarily effective. So what I'm inviting you to do is to kind of pace and lead to create what you want. Now, at times, if you've got somebody who overrides you and speaks over you, you can put your hand up gently like this, a little gesture. You put your hand up like this, slightly. If you're on Zoom, you don't put it right on the camera. Just in here, like a little pause, a little movement of the hand to say, hang on. I'm saying, hang on. Stay back, I'm not finished yet. And then you speak in a way that creates pauses and intense, and you use your eyes in very, very strong ways to say, I'm not finished yet. I just want you to listen. I want you to listen. This is important to me. That's why I'm slowing it down. You can speak fast, you can speak over me, but I'm going to get your attention by slowing down, looking at you in the eyes and having my hand slightly up like this. You've got to watch how that looks on camera, especially if you're on Zoom. And we are not inviting in the pause for that person to interrupt you. No, we're not, because the energy is like, I'm not finished yet. We're going to practice that. I'm not finished yet. And the pausing creates momentum where the person can feel the intensity of your words, how important they are, and what statements you're making, the weight of them. If you don't have pauses and gesturing, which helps the communication, if you don't have that and you just blah, 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 lots of words all at once, you could actually lose them and they get caught up in it. And they basically feel like you're rushing, you're pushing them now, and they're not processing. And you're just dumping. We don't want to dump. We actually want to create meaning in our words, be understood. We're going to use some gesturing. We're going to use eye contact, the pace of the voice, the emphasis on some words, space, control, energy, intention. All of those things are the non-verbal aspects of our words. So words alone aren't enough. It's all of that that's important. So here we're talking about the space. How do we deal with the space? The space is not an invitation for the other person to interrupt you, because I'm going to use my eyes and my hands. Okay? Thank you for listening to this recording. I hope it has helped you. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. I'll see you next time.